your boy Cap Kicks. We are back. Oh man, it feels good to be back. It feels good to hold a new box of MBOs in my hand. Let's get this right to it, shall we? This is the MB.03 Lafrance. This is a size 11, of course, my size. They kept it. I like how they keep on with the same format on the box. I love it. Shows not from here. The Lafrance logo, Puma logo. The bottom just shows all the info. Whoop-de-whoop. Oh, it shows rare on this side. Like I said, they kept the same format. I love it. Yeah, this is pretty dope. 1, 2, and 3. MB.03. Shall we get into it? Let's get it. Woo, and here we go. Here we have the first look, and would you look at that? Laces. Let's put this down. Let's open this up, and yes sir, we got some laces. That's cool. Kind of matches the theme. We'll get into those later. But yeah, man, let's start off with this. The first thing that I see that I really like, and I'm glad they did it to these, is the pull tab. Because on the first ones we didn't get a pull tab here. Second, we didn't get a pull tab, but we got the pull tab on the third, folks. I've always recognized that this pull tab here, he's always had it on his pairs from the first ones through the second one. So it's really dope. It's really dope that they gave us the pull tab here on the tongue. Pull tabs are usually known for the back of the shoe right here, but I love it. I love this little difference. The detail on this is amazing as well. It has like a little python. It looks like python material, but I don't know. It looks really dope. 1 of 1. Got the Lafrance logo, and on the back of that it says rare, R-A-R-E. So I'm sure all the retail, the other pairs that don't have this logo are gonna just say rare. The little halo, and of course this is somewhat of the same format as the MB.01s. It just reminds me of that so much. Got the MB.01 logo, the little halo. Let's get into the shoe. The inspirations from what I saw on the shoe were like alien underworld, and I also saw in a picture that they had an octopus, like a picture of an octopus, its tentacles. So that kind of looks like that. It does remind me of that stuff right here. Also dip. Do you guys know what that dip is? D-I-P. I believe that's the name of his dog, from what I can remember. Dip. But yeah, what are these called? You know, love? No, these little designs like that.
Oh, it's like filigree?
Calligraphy?
Filigree.
Filigree. Ah, okay. So yeah, the shoe's covered in filigree. If you guys don't know what that is, look it up, because I'm gonna look it up too. I'll probably post it somewhere around here. But the shoe is filled with that. That's basically the Lafrance look, is what you get from his clothing line. If you guys didn't know, Lafrance is his clothing line, as I mentioned in the video before. It has these tearaways as if like some type of creature, alien, was trying to get at these. Looks kind of crazy, like as if he was jumping in the air and they're like trying to bring him down, you know. Looks kind of cool. Has the 1 right here on the lace hole. I mean hole, the lace hole. This little lace thing, not from here. Every year, huh? Every year they always have the little message here. That's what I really like about the Mallow line, is that regardless if they all look similar, there's always something on the shoe that they've stood with, and that's like the tongue here. They just did this upgrade. They always have like this hard plastic thing right here. the little messages, the logos. And what I noticed that's new as well is this Puma logo that's right here. It looks like a paisley from a bandana, but that's like a Puma logo, right? It's not on this side, but I did notice that they did add that. Let's talk about the back. The back is really crazy. It looks very padded. It's like super thick back here. Got the Puma logo, Mellow 111, and then it says 01 of 1. 1 of 1. Really cool. The soles are kind of crazy. The midsole right here is nuts. Like all this like weird alien octopus design, and then it smooths out right here, and then it goes into the sole. Ooh, the sole's kind of crazy too this year. Instead of it just saying rare, put it together like that. Would you look at that? Really sick, man. Really sick. I'm really hyped on these. I'm so glad that Puma stepped it up on the design this time around. Yeah, man, these are really sick. Let's try one on, shall we? Let's try one on. I've been wanting to try these things, so when we got home, I've just been kind of sitting on them, just kind of looking at them. They just seem more, they just feel like a skater shoe still. That's what I love about them as well. Let's give it that unlace here. Let me know in the comments if you guys were able to pick up a pair. Take out these Iversons real quick, and thought so far they fit a lot different, and they fit a lot better from the first and the second ones. That's for sure. Ooh. Oh, these are sick, dude. These are sick. I did go on the Puma website today, just to kind of see what the stock was, and in men's they had a full size run in men's. The grade school is what sold out, so that's what's really dope. I really like that about the Mallows, is that the kids out here, they're tapping in and getting a good quality Puma shoe. And I get it, the shoes are always like a very vibrant color, very bright, loud color, and that's always good to have on the court, you know? Oh, look at that. That logo's sick. Rare. 1 of 1. No, these are dope. They fit really good. My Iversons are a bit broken in, so let's see. But yeah, these are dope. These are really good. Gotta make sure they're very loose. That way, you could just go ahead and throw those on. Oh yeah. Like I said, this pull tab here, really dope. I really love this. They feel really good, guys. They feel amazing. They do. They fit so much better. This isn't so synced down right here. It's not like pushed down. They gave it some good height to it, and I really like that about that. I do have a wide foot, so not a lot of basketball shoes, especially with Nikes. They're so tight, very tight. I know these, when I first got them, they were really tight, bro, especially right here on the toe. On the toe part, they were so tight, but a couple wears, they break in pretty good. But these, yeah, man, these are sick. Finally, give a round of applause for Puma, because they really did it this time around, because these are really good. Yeah, man. Whew. Let's switch the laces on these. And yeah, let's see how they look with the there with these. All right, let's switch these laces and let's see how they look. But yeah, man, overall I'm really excited about the newest colorways that are coming out. We did talk about them in the weekly update that I just dropped. Make sure you guys go check that out. Also guys, I'm still trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. We're almost hitting about 800, so if you guys could hit that sub button, that'd be amazing. Also make sure you guys like the videos. And yes, MB.03 season is upon us. We are here. This is the beginning. Just picture this as like just picture this as the first game of the season right here, because it's gonna be a long one. I know that. Hopefully they drop really amazing colors. I know there's no Rick and Morty's, so let's see what they'll do. I know I did mention it on a short video that I did of what collab they were gonna do. I totally forgot. I'm like drawing a blank right now, but let's get this going. Let me know in the comments if you guys were able to cop a pair, if you guys did or did not, and let me know why. Did you guys like the color? Did you like this collaboration that they did? Like I said, I'm really excited that they didn't do just the all red shoe again. I'm really glad that they steered away from that. And them doing this collaboration with LaMelo just shows how dedicated Puma is to him, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna keep dropping a good amount of shoes. They did drop the I did notice on the website that they did drop the cancer awareness MB.01s, and I went to the mall. I went to go check them out. They don't look pink at all, guys. They do not look pink at all. Very surprising, but it's still a great shoe. If I could find that shoe for less than $80, guess what? We're gonna have to buy that one because that's a really good shoe. I also was gonna get a pair of Galaxy MB.01s for baby boy, but I saw that they were 20 bucks. I knew I should have just bought them that day. Unfortunately, when I went back to the store, when I went to go buy these, they were gone. So that kind of sucked. The lacing on this shoe is way different. It's a lot more easier. I just went through that shoelace so quick. A lot easier than the MB.01s, that's for sure. Ooh, let's go under right here, because they go under. So let's try that. Yeah, a lot easier, that's for sure. If I could find the legs here, then we could get it going. There it is. Tighting. I like how it's not so sturdy, the tongue. And like I said, it still reminds me of a skater shoe, just because of how padded the shoe is, but it's really good. Can't wait to try these on the court. I'm gonna try to get into a gym. If not, we're gonna take these outdoor, shoot around some, just to give you guys some more content. But yeah, here they are. What do you guys think? These looks like there's so much lacing involved on this one. I kind of like the yellow, I'm not gonna lie. I think the yellow looks a lot better. The shoe, honestly, it pops a little bit more. I think the yellow might have to do it. Let's take these off. A lot of, I've been reading a lot of the comments. Thank you to everybody that's commenting all the videos. The majority of the question I always get is how big are the shoelaces? I'm not sure, to be honest, but we shall all find out together soon. So definitely look into that and hopefully answer some more questions. If you guys do know the information on what the measurements are on these shoelaces, or on the MB.01s at that, leave that in the comments. Let us know. We all want to know. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh. Yeah, I'm telling you, these now the shoe tends to pop a little bit more. I felt like the green's kind of taking away from the designs of the actual shoe. Yeah, I do cross this way. I'm telling you, it's so much easier. Look at that. Oh crap. That's right. That's where I messed up. I'm jumping ahead of myself. My bad. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, cool. That's a lot better. Yeah, this is so much easier than the MB.01s. I just remember when I was lacing up the Galaxies. Man, that took forever. So yeah, make sure you guys tune in this week for the weekly update with Cap Kicks. Talk more about the shoe here. Display it a little bit more as well. Whoa, this one is not. There you go. And yeah, we'll just go over some shoes that are coming out this week. Something that I always look into, and so I might as well just share that with everybody else. Look at that, man. Whew. Let me know in the comments what color lace you guys prefer, the green or the yellow. I'm really starting to like this yellow color. It's giving Jamaican bobsled vibes. Let's see here. Sick though, really sick shoe. Woo. All right, let's throw these back on. What do you guys think? I don't know, guys. I'm really digging the yellow. I think the yellow stands out a lot more. I think the lacing, the way that they did the laces this time around, it makes the shoe a bit more wider and makes it a lot more comfortable for at least wide feet, like people like me. I don't know, they just feel really good, man. Ooh, boy, these are sick. The pull tab, guys, something about that pull tab is, they knocked it out the park with that. I think the back is sick too. It's all padded back there. Yeah, these are good. These are so good. All right, guys, let me know in the comments if you guys like these, if you guys prefer the second ones, if you guys prefer the first ones, because I honestly feel like these might be the best looking and fitting. Something different. I like what they did with the whole alien vibe. Yeah, this is perfect, man. This is perfect for him. He's always, you know, out of this world, one of one. This year, not from here. Well, that's what he always says, but yeah, dude, they really knocked it out the park. Shout out to Puma, man. They killed it. They really killed it with this one. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. We're trying to get to that 1,000, man. We're trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. I'm telling you, still giving away a free pair of Mellows. Don't be scared. Hit that like, hit that sub, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.